Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go, Mike.
Good.
Morning. Yep.
Thanks a lot. Manny, I put my own stuff here. What?
50 to 80 pounds there. It's a bit light for small tuna and stuff like that.
It's light. Wow. Heavy to me.
Yeah.
We can use your stuff. I bought one for dragging opelu.
Yeah. Possibly.
So Manny, we're on the spot.
Yep, we're here.
So we're gonna drop these string of flies down to about
60, about 60 to 80 feet. It
Uh-huh.
kind of varies at times.
and then we just.
Bounce them
Bounce
up and
'em.
down. Come
You were
up.
saying something about they bite them better on the fall.
Yeah, they I guess what they like to do, they like it to see it going down. I guess
Oh.
it more action or something.
And they'll just pick it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need about what, 3 dozen pieces.
About there.
Okay. All right, let's do it before
Okay.
Shannon catch them all. Get them, Shannon.
Yeah, I still got mine.
Okay.
Coming up. Oh, lost that one. Got one.
There's one on yet.
That's some big one.
Boy, they're really good size, man.
Yeah, these are getting fat.
Yeah, they're really getting big.
I think we might have to eat a couple of these.
I was just gonna say. That's about half a pound.
Yeah.
Hook up.
Oh, hook up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Chibi.
I got a toonie, I think.
You got multiple. Okay, maybe I gotta put on a bigger set of flies on top.
Just gotta work it a little more.
Maybe, you know.
I got all of my bites on a drop. Come on, baby.
There you go.
All right,
one.
Manny. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Triple.
All right. 3, triple. Oh man, you the man.
Try my best.
All about the same size. Eh?
Come here, little guy.
Hanapa.
Okay. They sure biting.
Whole bunch down at 120 feet.
Huh. Maybe I gotta put on a bigger lid.
Yeah, that might be all it is.
Yeah, okay, I'll try. I'll add on another one. Another lid.
Oh, came off.
Got him.
What a guy. Okay, I got more lead now.
Coming up.
All right.
All right, Manny.
Oh, you the
Woohoo!
man. Oh, all nice size, boy. Son of a gun. How big is that ikima, Shannon?
It's about, I think it's over 100 gallons.
Yeah, big ikima.
Oh, big ball. Look at that, Mike.
Where? Manny, I got one, Manny.
Get him, Mike.
Manny, I got one, Manny.
Oh, look at that action on that
Oh,
pole.
look at that rod. You're right, it was the lid.
Told you.
Yeah, you
They like
smart,
it on a drop.
man. Was quite a ways down, though.
Yeah,
I was
I think
surprised.
the thing going fast down is
Maybe it's what it is. Yeah, I get 5 ounces of lid. I started with 1.5 ounces. Maybe not enough radical motion. I think I get about 10, you know, Manny.
All right.
Oop, one just
2
came
on
off.
each hook.
One just came off.
Whoa, Mike, you're over here.
Whoa, whoa, got your line.
Yeah. Pull him up. Pull it up.
Bring
Pull
him
it
up. Hang on.
In the boat.
In the boat first.
In the boat.
Okay. Hang on, let me cut your line. Hang on, let me just unhook the opelu first. Oop, unhooked himself.
There you just go.
Okay. Okay, got him. Oh, nice opelu. Oh boy, this guy is fat too, man.
Oh, that's a bear.
Chunky, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
Those who shall only catch big kind, you know.
Okay.
All right,
Oh, hook up. Hanapa.
there you go. You're right under the boat, huh? Ken, what are the other guys doing over here with the hand line?
Same
Opelu.
Opelu. Oh,
thing. We just do it sporty.
oh. I thought they were catching something else, ahi or something.
No.
There you go. There you go.
Nice one, Shannon.
Oh, I got to
Nice.
get him hooked in the brain before I can catch him.
Take them anywhere you can get them, man.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Ready?
Yep.
Going in. So roughly how far out do you put it, Shannon?
40 arm spans, and he'll put his at 25.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Up.
So how much of a drop back do you put? About what, 40 feet?
If we're fishing for mahi-mahis, yeah, we'll give him about maybe 5 seconds to eat it.
That's it. Oh, you don't put it on a free spool then?
No,
You light drag,
medium.
medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can
That's
watch
it.
by the rubber band. If the rubber band really starts jumping, that's
Yeah.
we got a visitor back there. And
Okay. Nervous
that'll-
fish.
Right. That'll tell us it's
Oh,
time
that
to
is a
fit.
small rubber band. Huh?
Yeah,
That's
real small. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
I'm
we
gonna
ready?
Go up and see if we can find him.
Okay. Just about ready, Manny. Ratchet on.
Yep.
Check my ratchet. I don't know if I put mine
Yeah,
on.
your ratchet is on.
Okay.
You're ready to rock. Yarn. You have a light coat of wax on it.
Oh, it's sort of like floss. That opelo's still strong, yeah.
Oh, bite,
Oh,
bite.
there you go, go. On.
All right, you got
Get
him.
on.
All right, mahi-mahi.
Yeah. Okay. So, hey, Manny. Oh, nice size one. Here. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Feel like saddling one small horse here. Oh,
A
Nelly.
little pony.
Little pony.
See if
Tight
there's
enough.
one more out here.
Still on, Manny.
Yep, he's still there.
Okay. That's a good size mahi-mahi.
Hey, Shannon.
You want me to lead her,
Nice
Shannon?
fish.
Woohoo.
Back up. A little bit back up.
Back up.
That line's got to be kind of worn too, huh? Small
A
line.
little bit. You can get out of harm's way here.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Oh, wow. Woo! That's a beaut.
Nice mahi-mahi.
Wow. That's bigger than 18 pounds.
That was a good size one.
I like
18.
to
What do you say?
underestimate than overestimate.
Oh, that's more like 20 something pounds.
Yeah,
that
I
many.
think so.
All right. Yeah, right.
Right on, bro.
Woo!
Let's go get some
Get
more.
some more.
Let's go get a few more. You want to just cut this leader?
Yeah.
1070.
Yeah, I saw that.
I never see it. What is it? I never see it. What is it?
1070. You can 50 on each.
Okay, Manny,
Oh,
strike
bite,
Manny.
bite.
Manny, hang on.
Oh.
On.
Ah, came off.
Down the pole, down the pole,
Oh,
down the
buddy.
pole.
Oh, he grabbed it, he grabbed it, got it.
Get down, I want to clear this up. All right, Manny. Woo! Go get him. He took the other bait.
Yeah, he came up close.
Came
grabbed
up
the other
double.
one.
Grabbed one and took the other bait. All right. You need the gimbal.
No. I got it.
You got him. Usually get a couple, 2, 3 following him, huh?
Yeah, most of the time they feed in schools.
You saw him when he jumped.
Yeah.
Male or female?
It's like about a female. I'm pretty sure it is.
Pretty sure guarantee, maybe.
Yeah.
You got the bait on this one. Yep.
You got the bait.
Yep.
Okay. How many yards out, Manny?
I'd say about 30.
30 yards.
30 yards.
Okay. Good one, good one. Oh, he took him solid, huh?
Yeah. He really wanted that bait.
There you go.
There he is.
There you go. Jump again, man. When he gets close, Shannon's gonna gaff and lead
Yep,
it.
leader
Okay.
and gaff.
And you can throw him in the ikima or
Roger.
the live well. So wait, baby. I don't know. This one could be on bull, huh? No.
Could be.
Oh, look at the bus.
Something's splashing
Another-
around the other side. We're getting close, Shannon.
Yep.
You got your gloves on. Of all the fish, though, this fish, a lot of people don't eat it raw, though. Mostly just fry it.
Yeah, they like to bread it.
Yeah,
Stuff.
bread and flour.
Yeah. Oh yeah, one more right behind him.
I get him.
Oh, yeah, there's
hang
another
on, hang on,
behind.
hang on. Keep
Hang
him
on,
there.
hang on. You want the dead one?
Anything.
Hang on.
Hopefully.
Oh, look at that thing. Woo-hoo! Hey Shannon, would it be good if I just leave it in a rod holder and beat up another one?
Yeah. Yeah, I can bait up one right now, too. There it comes, there it comes.
Oh, a big boy, yeah.
Big one.
Whoa, look at that ripper.
All right, you got him, Shannon. Go easy, man, go easy.
Okay, here goes another one. Let's go get some
So
more.
wait, Manny, that's a good luck one. Manny,
Yo,
don't fall in.
Maddie, I'm gonna leave this one home, okay? We're gonna get the
Yeah.
80.
I got a dead bait out right now. Working up to get another bite.
I got on bait too. Hey, take it on.
Got him!
He's on.
Got him!
Woo-hoo! Let him run out, let him run out.
Oh, these are big fellers, huh?
Yeah.
Got 2 on. 3 on now.
Jump in, jump in. Easy, 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 easy. Jump in, jump in.
Nice job, bro.
The way. Okay. Watch out the hook.
Okay, Mike, get another
Okay,
one.
I get one bait out too. Woo! Nice one, Shannon. Oh, this one could be on bull, huh? No.
Could be.
Oh, look at the bus.
Something's splashing
Another-
around the other side.
That's it.
Whoa, watch out. Whoa.
Okay, we're back to square.
Get back down.
Okay, clear.
No more bite, huh, Mike?
No, not yet. I'm waiting.
I seen about 5 more, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. They must have
Anytime
swam
now.
away.
Anytime
Mike,
now.
try to crank it up, make it splash a little bit, put more action on it. They'll come up.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna stay on this side.
Got your back, buddy.
Nice.
Ikima's open.
Thank you. Oh, don't want to show crack.
There you
Boom,
go.
boom.
Oop.
Ready? I don't like get the hook. Nice job.
Right on, Manny.
Woo!
Hold that one up, little one. I want to see that one. Wow.
Oh, nice
Oh, look
size.
at the size of that thing. What do you think, Manny?
About
20.
25.
You want me to cut the leader?
No.
Oh, I think I
Cutting
get one
these
more.
leaders.
One
I'm
more.
not sure, but I think so.
Was that one more?
I thought I seen it. It was kind of deep, but
Watch out. Come on, fish. You can bring them up on the port side.
Yep.
Well, just crank them in, eh?
Oh, I got
Oh,
one.
there's
yeah,
one,
another
there's
one.
Oh,
Feed 'em, Manny,
there he
feed 'em.
goes. So wait, Manny, feed him.
there you go. Lock them up.
Yeah, he's on. He's on. Got him.
All right.
Wait, keep
Oh,
him
good
tight, Manny.
size one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bull. That's the bull.
That's the guy right there. Woo-hoo! So
Nice
wait,
job, Manny.
Woo! What a jumper. Jump, baby.
Oh,
Woo!
the brute.
Boy, you brought him right in, man. Yeah.
Oh,
Good
we got
idea,
this in
lively
foul hook, this side.
You want to help him, Manny?
Yeah.
I'll watch out.
This is a pig.
Pig.
Foul hook too, so I'm gonna try to be light.
Oh, look how pretty that thing is, eh? Colorful.
Cranking it up.
You cannot. You get it all bound in there. Ready? It's foul hook, so it ain't gonna hold very long.
Okay.
Nice
Okay,
job.
all right.
Whoa, you almost twist your arm off.
Hold on for a little second.
Oh, that's a good sized
That's a
cow.
nice one.
Look at the
Hold on
hook.
up, Manny. All right. Oh, is that what you hooked though?
Nice job, Shannon. Nice job.
Nice job, he's right. All right.
Woo,
yeah,
right on.
man. Should have some more.
No rush now, there might be some more females.
Yeah. Oh, there's
No,
one,
there,
there's one.
Shannon got one.
Oh, Shannon. Look at him. Whoop, watch it. Watch it.
Beautiful
Yeah,
job,
come in.
Shannon.
Wow, that fish was just like was right underneath the boat.
He was watching your bait.
I know. Dirty rat. So, hey, guy. Okay.
Skip.
Alrighty.
Jumper.
Here comes the
Oh,
bird.
Make it skip.
Okay. There you go. Coming back.
Shannon, get one more back
I
there.
see him.
You see him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Let me see the tip of your thing. I'm gonna get it past these guys right now, or else we're gonna get tangled.
Oh, the other one's over there jumping around you.
Splash. Crank it up. You
Yeah.
got to.
What is that floating in the water? Surfboard.
Yeah.
You got a jumper going on over here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice
fish, Shannon.
one. Look at that. Oh. Oh, man, that jumper is right. Don't want to come to the boat.
Man, you can back me up.
I got you.
Need a gap. Oh, not me.
Get him.
Yeah.
All right. Let's take a look at that one too, Manny.
Woo, another good size one.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful.
One more.
Oh, this bully is an airborne.
Yeah, he's a jumper.
Ah.
Acrobatic.
Oh, you sure feel this guy's head pulling against you.
Yeah, really, yeah.
These guys are big difference. I think we better put this in the boat, Manny.
Okay.
You've been on for kind of long.
Okay. I'm going to drop this one further back then.
Yeah.
Wow, good size one. Woo-hoo-hoo. So Shannon, you go real slow at this point in time.
Yeah, I try to keep his head down, huh?
Oh, so you
Okay,
pull
Manny.
low.
Ready?
Okay.
Hang on, hang on.
Give me your head.
Wait, right there. Wait. It's gonna break off. You don't get it.
There you go. You got him. Oh, wait. Yo, boy.
Ready, Manny?
It's a big male.
Where's good?
Woo-hoo.
There you go, Manny. Hold that one up.
Nice
little one.
job. That's a good
a male,
size.
Manny.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't let him hurt you.
All right, put him inside. Put him inside.
Woo!
Stay in there, boy. Stay in there. Try to hurt me.
Well, fellows,
All right, Manny.
nice job.
You guys did great.
All right.
Good job,
Good job,
bro.
man. Right on.
That's fishing.
That's what you call fishing.
Let's go find a couple more.